Do you have every resource that will help you bridge this gap? How do you get the resources? Is it self-funded? Is it government funded? How do you get resources?
I would say the resources currently they've been internal. We've been internally funded. There's an executive board. I've been honored to sit on that board, to be part of that board. That executive board is the one that really manages the internal funding. So in simpler terms, the funds come from there.
It comes from your pocket.
It comes from your pockets. We are still in the process. We're working around securing, being able to secure sustainable funding opportunity. The government also is supposed to help. It's supposed to come in, but of course the challenge is with a lot of paperwork that has to happen and a lot of channels that you have to work through. Those grants have not been coming. So for the past years that we've been operating, we've been purely internally funded. And the number of our beneficiaries has been
increasing.
It keeps increasing because when the ministry contacts us to say, hey, we have children that we want to commit to you or that need help urgently, we just say, go ahead, bring them in, and we make sure we make the necessary arrangements to make sure that but this is at a very small scale.
Right. And I think this is even a small scale, but the impact is huge. And talking from global health point of view, seeing all the things that we woke up in 24 hours to experience, limited aid that mostly have been cancelled or rescheduled.